Oh my days. This is going to be a very short one today. A short one today for Shay Shay. Let me just get to my paper as I always do, okay? So if I glance over, it's to read this report. My report. What in the rampant shop is this? Disgusting behavior. It's disgusting. And it's about to be a snow bunny blizzard for you, Shay Shay. Shannon, you like them young, fresh, and green. And you about to pay like you ain't. Was the fornication worth your fortune? Because now is all at risk. And according to the Law and Crime Network on YouTube, this is your second case. At first, if you don't succeed, try again. Dust yourself off and try again, said the great Aaliyah. Rest in peace. The Law and Crime Network said the case was filed on Easter Sunday. I think they want to crucify you like Christ. I think that's what's about to happen to you. They said you're the big fish. And you're now in the net. You were scouting for an OnlyFans freak. And now you're caught up, being brought up on charges. When will they ever learn? I don't know. Shay Shay, you better get on your knees and pray. Because this one about to be all over the place for you. My thoughts are, before I close out, because I ain't got much to say on this. My thoughts are, after hearing the reports, you seem a little bit guilty. Because you was about to settle out of court. And then this is the second case. I don't know about you, brother. I don't know about you. But only time will tell. Lastly, is Snow Bunny a racial epithet? They used to call us jungle bunnies. I prefer honey bunnies if I had to choose, or in my case, a brown sugar bunny. Demerara sugar. That's all, and that's it for today on the Shay Shay Report. Oh my days. It's going to be a lot of rainy days for Shay Shay soon.
Buddy hop.
What do you think you're doing?
The bunny hop.